Hey guys, what's going on? My name is Prashant and welcome to Tech Scene ZA. Today we're taking a look at the Huawei Y9 Prime 2019. If this is your first time here, you better make sure you're subscribed because you're missing out on some awesome content. So this is the Huawei Y9 Prime 2019 version, and it was released in August of 2019. This was Huawei's first phone with a pop-up camera and full view bevel-less screen. The screen is an LTPS IPS LCD capacitive touchscreen, and it is 163.5 by 77 by 8 millimeters dimensions, and it is a 6.59 inch screen with 84.3 screen to body ratio. The screen resolution is 180 by 2340 pixels. The phone weighs 196.8 grams and it comes with Android 9 but is upgradable to Android 10. It comes in either a 64 or 128 gig storage, with both versions coming with 4 gigs of RAM. This phone is 4G capable and it has a non-removable lithium-ion battery with 4000 milliamp hours. Its camera setup: the front camera is a pop-up camera, as I said, a single pop-up 16 megapixel camera with 1080p at 30 frames per second video. The back camera setup is a triple camera, with the main camera being 16 megapixels wide, 8 megapixel ultra wide, and a 2 megapixel depth camera. And that too also records at 1080p at 30 frames per second. One of the bonus features, it does come with a rear mounted fingerprint reader. This phone was marketed towards the mid-range market, with it being affordable as well as it having high-end features. This phone is available from most of the cellular retailers from anywhere between 4,999 to 5,700. The cheapest I found was Macro at 4,999. Some of my personal opinions of the phone: it is a good phone, it's fast, reliable, it is dual SIM capable, it has an excellent camera setup as I've mentioned, and it also comes with an included case. Some of the pros and cons. The pros include the pop-up selfie camera, its big bevel-less display, its triple rear camera setup, it comes with a Type-C charger, and its big storage options, as well as its 4000 milliamp hour battery. Some of the cons included were its charging time, and it doesn't have fast charging capabilities. And unfortunately, the phone cannot record ultra or UHD video, and it comes in at a high price compared to other competitors. So in conclusion, the Huawei Y9 Prime 2019 is the cheapest full view smartphone you will get right now, and Huawei has done an excellent job with this device. So if you are looking for the best smartphone at a budget price range, the Huawei Y9 Prime is the best choice for you. It has a decent camera setup and better than average performance. And that brings us to the end. So if there are any products you'd like me to review, please leave a comment down below, and if it is within my capabilities, I'll be happy to review that product. If you enjoyed this video, you can let me know by giving a like rating if you did, and getting subscribed if you aren't subscribed already, turning on post notifications so you don't miss any future videos. Guys, thanks for watching. My name is Prashant, and I'll see you in the next video.